Yo, what's good, people? We're back. This is the final installment of Road2Release, featuring myself, A-Class, FTS, you know what it is.
Linking up with Wolverhampton Art Gallery and Youth Music to bring you the official Road2Release program. Road2Release is the 1-week bootcamp designed to help you release your music the right way. You'll get to build and connect with industry pros, sharpen your skills, and get your music out there your way. So we're looking for 6 up-and-coming artists. So whether you're a rapper or singer, age 18 to 25, from Wolverhampton and the surrounding areas that are sitting on some heat that they're ready to set the world alight with. Together, we're gonna put in some work on your chosen piece of music, get you ready for the stage and help you release it to the world whilst navigating the industry as an independent artist so you can start reaping the benefits. All you need is your music and your phone. It's simple.
Yo, this is the final installment of Road2Release. So click the link in the bio, scan the QR code, let's get it.
Hold it up this way, yeah?
100%. I've took inspiration from yourself, that grime impact, Simon, the fashion, Andrew, the labeling, Owen, the live direction, Missing, the brand director. It's just loads of different knowledge that I could intake and use in my own career.
I'd say I was about give it 3, 4 out of 10 navigating the music industry. I didn't know where to put my legs. I'd say definitely after leaving here, so it's a 7 or an 8. That's just me, that's not including the connections I've gained being here.
Working with the mentors has positively impacted my journey in terms of my confidence, my cadence, figuring out how I want to be seen, the music industry and just the world in general.
Road2Release, event planning workshop, you get me? Shout out to Mina Bradley, you get me? It's going off right now.
Hey, we're planning that event.
I'll just drop the phone.
I've been on programs before and they're a lot stricter in the way of the structure of the program where they want you to do certain things at a certain time. With this program, it felt like real support, like we want to see where you're at and we want to help you where you're actually at. So I felt that belief, I felt like that nurturing.
Favourite part, the energy being in the studio session, obviously surrounded with different sounds, merging with the sounds and putting them together. It was proper stuff.
Cropping fingers. I sit round your block, I seen all your mates and blood, they're all minges. Man don't believe in bringings, so I flew that door off the hinges. No time for a prick that whinges, I'll put them in white tie clinches. Blood watch my stony, it's vintage. Hooligan business. Time I know better gangsters, I'll never call police. Friends in Jallo, send them all peas. Blood, jump off your pedestal, geese.
Yo, look, I'm on form. Anyway, I'm letting off corn. Chasing the money from corn. Hella flows, man, I spawned. Man, love it, busting like porn. Blessed the powers I was born. Yo, look, I'm on grease. Flows, man, they're letting off these. Chasing the bag of 1 piece, man, can't match the steez. Right now, I'm gone with the breeze. Man, none of your name on tees. Man, none of your name on a shirt. Why did your girl wanna flirt? Why did you claim that you do that dirt? Why did you claim that you're outside? But you're not outside, fam, I can't see you there. Man, none of your name on a shirt. Why did your girl wanna flirt? Why did you claim that you do that dirt? Why did you claim that you're outside?
Yeah, clothesline from hell, over JBL, Hitman after the bell, stick bar man you fell, can't scream, shout or yell, yeah, what's that smell, stuck deep down in well.
Yo, stand on my own, don't need no crowd. Wear my scars in my bars, I'm proud and I know who I am when no one's around. And I wanna be safe, don't save me. I just wanna be alone lately. Fuck me, pay me. Hard not life like Jay-Z. Pain and strife really made me crazy. Play yourself when you play me. Love me, hate me. You're gonna rate me. Pound my pain so you can never change me. Let the rain wash away everything that was hazy. Don't got time to be lazy. Get out the mud while you cry like a baby. So you're gonna see me daily, go. So you're gonna see me daily, go. Fuck you, pay me.
Push away with a though he's hench. All this drip from my thirst ain't quench. Talk about we, but I don't speak French. When I could have banged up for the pounds and the pence. Let me shout JM, the sun man on my ends. Shout Big Sam, the sun man with the skanks. I was in not skip it 10 times 10 when RJ locked for a 3 sound 3. Top with the vision, yes, that's my G. When I got back by that ICD, never thought why me, I'm my IC3. Those go up, call it Do Re Mi. Then they go down, call it Set La Vie. How you gonna rock with that style like me? I said, how you gonna rock with that style like me? Yo, let me talk, it's me. And if you wanna talk motion, that's us. I can never be a broke boy like them. Money man gotta run it up, no fast, no fuss. Let me talk, it's me. And if you wanna talk motion, that's us. I can never be a broke boy like them. Money man gonna run it up, no fuss, no fuss.
About your level with who? Level with me now, never not you. Put in that work and I paid what's due. I've been out here, turn 1 into 2. Out on a bike like Deliveroo. Can't match the styles to style it for you. I'm gonna run in your gaff, call your fan free just like a statue like. Level stay high, level with me now, never not I. Put in that work and I paid on time. I've been out here, no skates but I grind. Doing 10 toes like it's Shabba time. Clothes that you got could never match mine.
My pot of shit, till I make this paper. You know I must move up a rate or shave. My man not talking a taper. Man got smoked like he was a vapor. Snitch on gang, you a trader. So call me a trader, not 2-4 but a fool like Lakers. Do that job sooner, not later. Might go buy some Fendi. For my bait, I'ma go buy Fenty. Can you do that for me like 20? Then plus 1 got 1 on empty. Cause I drained that one so easy. Now she asleep but that don't offend me. Don't move back, you might get lefty. On my lefty and my bank come hefty. Cause you say I put that work in. We purging, Jake man, we stop lurking on gang. You're stupid, so lucid, my dreams I'm purging. Mom's cursing, but I hug her when I know she's hurting. Pot show me the game now working. Quick serving my pickle like gherkin.
Ain't no figures in convo, 019 I was out here jogging. Putting the work just to stack these rundles. Now I know where all the bad ones looking. 26 plated the baddest of cars from age 16 I was out here pushing. No couple bitches that act like girls. Thank God that I found me a woman. So if you would've, you should've clutched that day like a manual car. Man I got bro telling me to release. Next bro telling me that I'm gonna go far. Man it's in God, inshallah. Second I open my eyes, I'm jogging. It's clear to see that I'm on the right path. With my foot on the gas, gotta watch my rear view. Bare fake niggas, I'm fucking facades, yo.
Hey buggy, I'm swerving, taunts to keep that 9 in the German, screaming like TJ's turn and turn the UK. But you still know we purging, clever like Kim K, hitting these drugs on my ops like Shinsuke. I don't go what he said, laps in 12, running in relay, slide them ice, Jamaican bobsleigh. At the back door, we hardcore, little Holly, not like B4.
You think's life hard, you make being a bum look easy, yo. I got no manners when I walk past you, you act like don't see me, yo. I can't take it personal, I know you just mad cause you can't be me, yo. I caught all ties, all access, see when I'm upgrading to you on the TV, yo. Do a man dirty, do a man greasy, could've been worse, so believe me. Keep my thoughts in check, on to the next, and I make it look easy, go. On to the check, trying to reap all the benefits, get a better man, get better net, better sex, walk in the room like an elephant, yo. Your opinion's irrelevant, yo. Try to my wings like Maleficent. I'm in my element, intelligent, elegant. Heaven said, try to my wings like Maleficent. I'm in my element, intelligent, elegant. Heaven said, try to my wings like Maleficent. I'm in my element, intelligent, elegant. Heaven said, try to my wings like Maleficent. I know who I am and you hate it, yo. Fake it, ain't shit. Can't take it, can't tolerate all the ways you behave and the way that you move, yo. I can't really rate it. Farmer spirit in a maze in the matrix. Farmer spirit in a maze in the matrix. The way that you move, yo, I can't really rate it. Got one life, can't waste it. Get too high, then you're gonna get wasted, yo. Elevated, ego deflated. I know my truth, so it can't be debated. Walk with my chest high, trust in the fating. Trust in the cards that I'm playing. Shuffle up the decks 2 times with a cadence. I know who I am and you hate it, yo. I know who I am and you hate it, yo. I know who I am and you hate it, yo.
Yo, Road2Release, yo, right now. Turn it up right now.
Yeah. Road2Release. Alright then. 116.
Mayday asked me, yo Grims, what's your 5-year plan? Awful lot of work trying to build on my brand. Awful lot of language learning, new slang. Awful lot of business, money talk gang. Awful lot of one microphone in hand. Awful lot of shows get paid in advance. Awful lot of writing, awful lot of projects. So many averages lead to the bank. I can't take no advice from a guy who's chatting with West. Using big words but in the wrong context. 3 words, that is nonsense. I don't want to see their online content. Who's on a podcast scroll? What next time about CVs? Go get a job then. I don't really talk too much or often. Who's their top 10?
Man must have seen me skydiving the way he's typing about Rigel fell off. See what links from bar and off boxing. Ones have special case there like Kellogg's. This grain here went born on a farm with a stick on this team like a stallion. Check my battalion. Now when you can stand up on full charge a battalion. Who's on what? Who's active? Don't back it unless we use that thing where I'm from. But don't just abuse them things with the back strangling and bruise them things like bruiser. You can have some of that around cruiser. Them sliding with a get out the Ruger. You let everything slip to the school cap to a landing map pussy. What do you wanna try me for? I can't even fight in thoughts. Me and you are both getting locked out of heaven like Bruno Mars. Now I have to sky this corpse. I don't know what he's trying me for. But same way I'm trying to see him and try this pause. I don't know what he's trying me for. But same way I'm trying to see him and try this. The few rats on eyes, Roger that, not Morgan. I'm in a ring and I feel like Tyson, so when I say Mike, I don't mean Jordan. It's
it's not Jackson either. When I say Nicholas, I'm talking K. Still send man to the Bundesliga. Painting asking me for my age, I'm a big man, but I ain't 30. I do them man, they're dirty. I got 5 star like Cherky. Young we flirty, lick fat shit, and she looking all perky, curvy. Hopping up and get swervy. Who told me it was that little birdie? I mean, live this passenger seat, but he got no top control, so it's jerky, murky. Remember my name ain't Jammer. From West Side, but I ain't no hammer. When I shout, I run for the ting. Broski, I don't mean one with Saka. I'm shouting a plumber. If you speak on man, it's calm. But as soon as you speak on bro, I'll let man down with a stone cold stunner.
Room raver, K-pop hater, T-shirt project Vega, the rap scene savior, the big cash saver, the big cash spender, Golden Bender, South from Austin Benga, yo it's the yo bartender, Malawi studio, big buck wenger, check his space, I've been stacking my chips like Jenga, a front row defender, front and center, make money online, Niger bloodline, finally I'm finding my feet, it's crunch time, take no breaks on lunchtime, G, your fake sub acting pally, I can never talk to a snake like Harry, sax control like Dally. Shit. Legacy from HOCKLEY. Legacy, yes, I'm Legacy. I'm from HOCKLEY. I'm from HOCKLEY. Why do you think I'm here to play games? I don't want to be around you lames. I've told them once, I've told them twice, and even for the third time now, man, I'm telling them again. Use your mirrors and most importantly indicate before you try start stepping on my lane, and please use your brain before you start telling me come round the corner. Cause if you do go around the corner, risk going the other way like it's a cane. I prefer to keep the peace, not speed to judgment. So before that time, let's get this straight. I'm the girl, them glucose sweetener, Starburst Haribo's, all of some sugar cane. Man, start here that I start sour up the face. Me and them man ain't the same, no way.
Got the keys to the game like a locksmith. NHD with the paintings, got options. You don't want the war with this, my dad's problems. Dangerous man behind bars like Bronson. I'll be writing scriptures daily. Don't drink lean, but the bars then rate me. Reason why I said the gal then rate me. That's Laura Kate against Stacey. I get a dog with a spitty like this. Can't chat to me, bro, can't actually sit. Got too many girls, can't actually pick. That's ranging from Marga, Curvy and Tick. Don't stunt on Facebook, you might get your chain tucked. I got the ting and it stays tucked. So if I look at you dirty, don't give me the same look. We can break down like it's just had a break up. We got a cake up, that's why they hate us. Certain man show fake love, they like bitches with makeup. It's their true identity and learn they ain't the same trust. That's why I just stay in my lane. Fuck mother nature, I'm making it vain. I'm a top boy, ain't no ash in the chain. These fuck boys need to stop chatting my name. But I got locked, he was capping the gauge with his fresh home and he's back at it again.
Road2Release, you get me? Shout out all the MCs inside, you get me? Road2Release, R2R, Wolverhampton, Birmingham, Midlands, stand up, you get me? Make some fucking noise, you understand? Yeah? We're out.